Itong salida sa Widow's War. Sinundong din sa kaliwa. Candidate number 1. Alright, so I guess right now all set. First and last practice. Ma'am, naku kayo ang atong tuwan mo. Hawag na ito ang ating mong isang pizza.
Di persona.
I want to give a round of applause to presenter number 5. You know, excited sa football team.
Driver oh, nama deh driver ya kan deh. Our box one. And then let's go back to our raffle draw. Alright, so we will be getting 3 more sets of items. Item number 1, Carambola. Item number 14! Congratulations to all who did!
Ladies and gentlemen, requesting everyone to please be gathered here at our venue because minutes from now we will be starting our Christmas party. And once again, everyone is requested to please be gathered here at our venue. Since a few minutes from now we will be starting our Christmas party. With our dancers
Dapat maging masaya ka. Kahit kaalis pa. Balik na yan. Yung kasapit ng shot, 69, pero 58 na lang.
Gutom na?
Kaya nagsimula yung first five, ma'am. Isa na lang yung emotional na naman.
Gutom na, gutom na no, gutom na no.
Congratulations! Alright, congratulations! You wanted an air fryer run. Alright, the next item! Oh, wala na. Tak-tak ang tawag na. Ay, meron na nabilin. Item number! Item
Nice group.
22!
Group number 5.
Item number 22! AM!
And of course, later on, everyone's to witness the different presentations coming from these groups. Walang pwede ang best presentation. Ba? Kasi pwede na award na. Di ba yung kasama ng confidential fund? Alright? Nagdala po po si Tero sa mga he was thinking and focusing. Alright, so please prepare group number 6.
Going once, twice. Congratulations, because you are doing here. You are.
After this would be our committee or our organizer. Ang sino mo ba na naman? Para maikot pa. Eh, sure, mas ka lang iso. Alright, to complete our set.
Approached a young child's bed, handing over a small toy. The child's face lit up with joy, a moment of brightness in the ward. Moving next to a weary father, she offered a kind smile, met with a grateful nod, determined to spread cheer. The nurse gathered the staff. Together, they bring small gifts, bringing the spirit of Christmas to life for everyone.
something else to say. You lift my heart, man. Are you sure? How could you do it? Do it, do it, do it.
Excited po kayo mo, no? Magkakap po yung mga presento. Gaulan di ka, no? Di mo sure. Abi na, naandam na mo, wapan eh. Alright, so once again, let's give them a round of applause!
Good evening, everyone. Walay naminaw kay tuwa tanan sa ambulansya ni Tanaw. Good evening, everyone. Nurses and medical practitioners are essential to save lives, to heal someone's heart, and teach how to face life again. Nurses and medical professionals are making such a difference. And this evening, we are giving tribute to the nurses and medical practitioners. It's time to celebrate. Brace yourselves and enjoy the show. This Joey Navea, nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan. Mag-unsa nakahaang kalimutan kung walay mga nurses na gwapa o buutan. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting group number 4, it's showtime!
Hope your attendance is enough.
You didn't have to say you left my heart how did you
Wow.
artistic kayo, no? And this time, let's go back to our...
Balik natin lagi. Wala ka ganang gulaw. Kung tapunin na ako. Sige, ganun eh. Go Philippines! Di ba? You already know what you are to receive. We're going to do another set of... Ay, go, sige. Asik na lang kung wala pa nag-game. Congratulations, because you are to bring home a brand new pillow. Come on, fuck my phone, Alright, so next item. Wala pinakalawa ka rin sulanan sa iling mo? Don't you get to make sure you're right there? Alright, so item number... Item number 1! Talaga kabunuan sa Incredible Team! Wow! This is something new! Incredible Team! Incredible Team! Wow! You are very lucky! Ma'am, project mo ka nalipay, ma'am. Incredible Team! Oh, pas pa si ma'am, dali ma'am! Alright, so prepare yourselves! Because I'm pretty sure that you will be with all smiles bringing these items home! Because Incredible Team is an incredible you got good for 2. Very incredible. Hindi sila magtawa. Ba't sila magtangkong sa iyo ng tao na? Smile and a genuine smile. You're very lucky. Diba? Next item! Oh, di ba? Anong major prize? Wala pa! Item number! Item number 5 is gold! Expecting it gold! But what's in our glass is gold! But in our atmosphere! So you can just go at time is gold! Very lucky because I never that was made up of gold. Congratulations! You are to receive Alright, so we will still be giving away 2 items, 2 sets of items. Alright, spin. Item number 10, the most awaited. Item number 10, the code of letter A. Letter A. That's it, letter A, come on. Letter A, and your biscuit, A for assorted biscuit. Alright, so that's right. Apel ba? Hindi, ano mga Black Swan, mga PSG? What? Ay, pag-ikuy na naman, kay crush na ng Japanese. Alright, so congratulations because you are! Like that. Because A stands for congratulations because you are to bring home a brand new rice cooker! Alright, tutuloy pa niya ang mga pangilang barrio ng Cat-Page. Information. Alright, so congratulations! Item number 8 sa nakapulos na Feed my Hunger.
Feed my Hunger. Mura biscuit yun lang. Dili ko.
Feed my Hunger!
Wala. Pila ko biscuit.
Feed my Hunger.
Pita may sunod na to.
Sa music ang lahat nasukat. Congratulations because the Feed the Hunger, Feed my Hunger item. Wow! Ano sa kayo? Wait, ano? Congratulations! The Feed the Hunger. You will take home 5 feet! That's 5 feet. Naku, kabalo si Manny. Ano po ako Manny? May pictures ko. 300.
Diyos, mayroon eh.
Okay, salamat din naman. Mucho din yung pagkakaran ng Boyga. Next item! Bumanan. Ikaw bumanan sa kitaan.
Paris kayo, pwede yung sometimes. Pagkaw, nagkabaldi niyo.
Games. Next one, games. Ang bumanan. Boyga ka na? Boyga? Kawa pa. Alright, so we will be having games now. Second, nature prizes. Alright, so for our first game, is it the first game? Our first game is Cup Relay. Alright, so we are requesting 7 members in a group. So 7 from group 1 to 7. Sige na, kailan ko ni group nyo. Sige na, 7 members, pagkadaling lakay. Kung siya mag-grab, pagkalog. Alright, so 7 members in a group. Unfortunately, last prize in another chair. 200 pesos each. Ang kunaw na rin 200 pesos each. Winner is Tan Cage. Sa'yo ka mag-awag yung ikaw. Alright, so 7 members in a group and a count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so you fall in line. Wala sa may gawang ko, no? So hindi ka rin gawang ko sa'yo, parang rin ko rin ikaw. Alright, so group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nasaan na si Mami? Sulatan. Alright, so one group number. So one group. Ay, wala. Group 5. I-assorted na mo. Sige, group black, group red. Alright, so our first game is Cup Relay. Asa mo mga kumakakuha na? Pag-online niyo ang simot. So mga na-exercise nila simot din ha. Alright, so atras, move, backward. Sige, atras. So, Alright, so additional member or kumaan sila?
additional or buhaan sila? Buhaan sila. So, may tulong. O, na isang ka-member na ikono na itong poste. Isa may bili ka poste. Isa na. O, sige na na poste. Huwag pa na nagsuko. Excited is beyond. So, mga exercise na na itong pamambahan. Poste. Isa poste. Sige na poste. Bawal mahagong. Bawal gamitan ang mahagong at gamitan deduct sa sweldo. Wait, alright. Ha? Sige, ato ang poste ato sa likod. Ang poste ato sa likod, ato ba para makita at ato mahakuan. Baka na magsulong lang. Excited ka anyone? Ha? Alright, so for the mechanics, everyone move backward. Atasin sa atasin. O, atasin. Ihatag ninyo yung baso at inuwan. Imanda. So, mechanics, ang baso kita na sa likod paikot sa atubangan. Ang atubangan, udagan din. Ikaw na ipasa para madaling taguman. Isapin ninyo. Asal sa mga pasahin, sige, kapagano siya. O, kaumon po na mo, ma'am. Sige, ang cup, gitan siya sa likod, ipasa, paikot sa tubangan, and the first person, isapit din. O niya mo, kanta joy to the world. Kansa na, ma'am. Okay na? Hindi na, ma'am. Overtime na lang malamit ko sa kita. Okay, pasa lang.
Tama na ito. Tama na ito.
Nakuha?
Oo, yan. Tingit ko sa...
Gigan siya sa last. Gigan sa last. Ipasa na mo sa sunod. Ipasa na mo. Ipasa ni... Ano maabot ani, siya rin pupasa ito. Mukha tao, John! Ano ba na? Ready? On your pose! On your pose! Ang paso, kita na sa... Ato sa likod. Ready? Set! Papoy! Ito sa pasa, papoy kong go! Ready! Isa! Bawal kumitan! Ready! Set! Balik ka yan! Nabas mo yung wave. Ready, set, go! Natagap.
Kindly hold that, please.
Pasudla ko mo.
So there are two parties here of PHNUMCI, one inside, the other is outside. So those who are having their parties on the outside, please come. You may continue afterwards, okay?
So my dear co-missionaries in the Vineyard of the Lord called HNU MCI, a happy evening to all of you, or to all of us. Why Christmas party and General Assembly? Are you not wondering why? The reason is simple. The first Christmas party is obvious, but the General Assembly is simply because it is required by the Department of Health that we must have at least one General Assembly a year. I am tasked to give a message, Christmas message tonight, and to give a state of a hospital address. Just a nutshell. What is Christmas? For me, it's about hope, peace, joy, and love. Hope that Jesus will find us worthy of His kingdom when He comes, so that we will experience true peace, joy, and love forever. Christmas is also a time for gift giving. But what best gift can we give on Christmas? For me, the best gift we can give is to continue being nice health workers to our patients and their significant others, and to another now who is a nice health worker. I believe you were there when I gave you a short talk on good manners and right conduct. Can anyone give me the qualities of a nice health worker? The prize is at stake. At the count of 3, the prize will be forfeited if you do not answer. 1, 2, 2.5, 3. Thank you. No more chance. We gather tonight that we call Christmas party to cheer you up and to thank you for your tremendous contribution to humanity through healthcare that you render at HNU MCI. I'm proud of all of you for keeping our hospital a better place for the hospitalized to recuperate and invigorate. Going to my next assignment tonight, that is to give a state of the hospital. In a nutshell, first, personnel. You might be wondering how many are we? In terms of manpower, can anyone give a guess except those who are familiar with it? Again, a prize will be given at the count of 3. If you do not, then it is forfeited. 1, 2. How many? 300? 3, 500. None of you give the more or less answer. We are 245 in all. We have 2 personnel at the top management. We have Dr. Gemma Hai. May I request her to please acknowledge? Dr. Gemma Hai has recently retired from the Holy Name University as the Dean of the College of Business and Accountancy. He will replace Father Lucas, who will work full-time as parish priest of Busan. Father Lucas, we thank you for your great contribution to HNU MCI. At face we have is Carlo Patutino. He is our group auditor, a CPA, replacing Maria Fe, known as Pink Barcelona, who is preparing her papers for Australia to join her husband. We thank you, dear Pink, for your tremendous contribution to HNU MCI. HNU MCI, under her care in the finance department as auditor, was able to accomplish 5 years financial statement. Thank you so much for that. Another member of our HNU MCI family is Father Eduardo, known as Kingdom Rocha, our hospital captain. He took the place of Father Patricio de los Reyes. Father Kingdom Rocha used to be our provincial superior, and he took over also as the second CEO of HNUMCI, if I recall it right, from 2011 till 2016. He was there since the hospital was not seeing him. So welcome, Father Rocha. Welcome, Ma'am Jenna. Welcome, Sir. We have 150 consultant doctors and still counting because there are still applicants to our hospital. We have 55 doctors who hold clinics in our hospital and 95 who do not. The average daily census we have is 55. We used to have more or less 25 until May of this year. Around 80% of our patients cannot pay their hospital bills in full. Thank you to MAIFIP. MAIFIP is an acronym of Medical Assistance for Indigent and Financially Incapacitated Patients. Funds from Congressman
Salinas sa Widows War. Candidate number 1. Alright, so I guess right now it's all set.
Do you know where ICU is? Most of all, those who do not know, can you raise your hands?
First and last practice. Ma'am, naku kayo ang atong kuwan mo. Habang may kuwan ating mong pizza. How about giving a round of applause to presenter number 5? You know, excited sa itong quality? our Black Swan. And this time, let's go back to our raffle draw. Alright, so we will be giving 3 more sets of items. Item number 1, Carambola. Item number 14. Congratulations to all who picked hygienic tea. Hygienic tea. Don't rush. Don't let the tea. Don't you need to hindi kasi muna ito kay Disney. Alright, hygienic tea. Kasi kung na-expect mo ang rep, as madalan sa airing. Nagkakit kung sudalan sa airing ko sila na for 6, 8, 10, 20, with 24. Grabe airing na. Congratulations, hygienic tea! Item number 14. Wow! What is your sir? Hygienic tea, congratulations, you will receive! Ma'am, kanang sipin sa bugaway, sa mga memoran. Sige, expect mo ma'am, hygienic tea. Ma'am, sige, expect mo. Well, yung mga ma'am. Wow, air fryer. Ganun hygienic na sa air fryer ma'am. Para less. So, hygienic na. Sige, support your related study. Congratulations, because you will bring home flying towel! Diba? Air fryer sila na daw yung sunod Christmas party. Dapat natin yung salita. Kaya kakuha! Buy one, take one. Diba? Yung nasa TikTok shop, 69, karong 38 na lang. Pero kung wala yung stress file, ma'am, kita natin yung original na naman. Ang importante, matatapis. Congratulations! Natagalan mo sana? Ikaw lang kita buhat, ma'am. Alright, congratulations! Kinuha na ng air fryer, ma'am. Alright, the next item! Oh, wala na. Tak-tak. Tawag na. Sabay na lang nabili. Item number. Item number 22. Item number 22. AM! Kasi nakakabulat sa AM! AM! Ano ba? Excited pa kayo sa AM! 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 Smile now! We'll talk later! Wow! Dali mo pas-pasok eh, lagi kayo ni AM. Dalawa. AM, lang na AM eh. Wala na AM? Maipo. Nagitan ko. Bakit wala ko nagitan ko? Nagitan ko, nagitan. AM, AM. Wala na? Going once? Twice?
matawa-tawa ba? Eh, yan ang naburutan? Dali, dali! Kaya nabisakin, nabili kayo sa inyo ulit tanan. O, pero kung nagpaldi mo, kaya magsakuha na ng inako.
Despite the possibility that we will encounter more challenges,
Congratulations, because we are your team!
University Medical Center prosperous. Having said this, may the love, joy, and happiness from our God Almighty be with you this Christmas and coming years. Thank you.
Alright, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. How about giving a round of applause to Miss Rashawn J. Esper. And of course, as I've said, every story has its end. And this is Laurel's Knowing Saying. I hope you will all live up to the ideals and of course the real essence of why we are all gathered here today. And that is to always be merry and to celebrate that even in your hectic schedules, you all still have to be grateful that in every day you are touching and helping the lives of other people. Once again, this is me, Knowing Saying.